draws and all these are so small. We are waiting for bumper number 1.
हाँ, और अगर बृष्टि is on stage तो आपको पता है कि उसका वैल्यू कितना होगा बम्पर ड्रॉ का.
One announcement. Anybody has lost a net trust card, credit card, please come and pass it to me.
Oh, it's Vijay.
Okay, Vijay, thank you.
Anil, we go to the next slide. Okay, we have almost 15 more draws left, and I have a time cap of 10 minutes to close all of these, and then of course do some credits, which is very important. So if you all can support me, and as soon as your unit number comes, come to the stage and grab your gifts. Now, very special this year, thanks to Viren, that he called me one of the evenings and said, Vrishti, do you have 10 minutes? I said no. Then he said, I have a sponsorship details. I said, I have 30 minutes. You tell me what it is. So Viren has got us six products, 6 healthcare trending products from Omron. Naam to suna hoga. 2 body compositions, 2 blood pressure monitors, and 2 electronic nerve simulator. So, me and my team and all of us are very, very thankful to Viren and his company Omron. Before we start the draw, Viren, I give you 30 seconds to talk something about it.
Vrishti told me if you bring $1,000 worth of products, I will give you 1 minute. Now she's saying only 30 seconds. Okay, firstly, are you guys having fun? Very, very good. Well, actually, I am also having fun. I am somewhere in between Livia and Omron. So firstly, from Livia to Omron, thank you very much for sponsoring. Okay, so please make one big round of applause for Omron. Now, I know 30 seconds, but I needed to give you a key message. Subset number 1, we have been talking about Rishta Clinic, about relationship, but relationship with your health is also very important. And nowadays, the biggest lifestyle killer is stroke. The only best way to know if you are prone, you're going towards that or not, is by measuring blood pressure at home. Okay, I'm trying to do a commercial break, but please understand, if you're having a blood pressure monitor, try measuring it. It will tell you where you are. Body composition monitor also helps you to understand internal fats and whatnot. Okay, so firstly, these products Omron has proudly sponsored. We are very, very happy that this has been in relation to Rishta Clinic as well as to your health. That's number 1. Number 2, there is a 11/11 sale still going on. There are still 60% discounts going on. If you would like to purchase something, look for the QR code or directly go to Omron, you will find those products. If you cannot, look for me. There is also a corporate gift going on. If you want to advertise at your office, if you buy 50 products, we give 66% discount. Why? Because Omron's motto is, we want to have 0 events, which means we don't want anybody to die because of stroke. That's our motto. And that's why we are trying to promote health at home as much as we can. So I'm talking about Omron right now. Finally, Omron's mission is to improve lives and contribute to a better society. This is all about contributing to Livia society. So please enjoy the products and have fun with it. Okay? Lastly, the guy who made this possible, his name is Mr. Matsubara. He is not here. I wish he was here, then we could have given the awards from his side. However, today I'm representing Omron, so I will be handing over the awards. So thank you very much for your support.
Thank you, Viren. So thank you, Viren, and thanks to Matsubara-san. Did I say it correctly? Great. Okay, so we are going to take me, Ruchi and Viren are going to take 3 unit numbers together. 1 for body composition, 1 for blood pressure monitor, 1 for nerve simulator. Let's see. Go ahead, Ruchi. Let's call out the unit, block numbers. Of course, 73.
The price.
What? Sorry, go on.
Hello. The prices for each product is different. 209, 209, 279. Okay? Retail price, just for your information.
Okay, since I am reading first, I'm going with the expensive one. body composition, block 73. Which block is yours?
All 73 people stand up.
Block 73, stand up.
Okay, you read your block number.
Block 81, make some noise.
For the nerve simulator.
Block 81, nerve simulator, okay?
Now block 79.
Blood pressure monitor.
Blood pressure monitor, please stand up 79.
Okay. My unit number is 73 14 25.
One,
Do we have anyone?
5.
14 25. Anyone from block 73 14 25?
Going one. Going twice.
Gone,
Gone thrice.
gone.
Go ahead. Take this.
Alright. So body composition monitor, we will redraw one more time. For the nerve simulator, block 81. 1144. Hey, circle. आजा ऊपर आजा. Hey, short circle.
For blood pressure monitor, block 79. 1142. 1142 is it? Preeti and Kunal. Come, please come. For blood pressure monitor.
Okay, I have done a redraw for body composition block 69.